Merhaba, arkadaşlar. Welcome back to Turkish Language Academy. Today's lesson is all about a very common and powerful Turkish pronoun o. Let's learn how to use it with real-life examples. Hadi başlayalım. Turkish pronoun o. What is o? In Turkish, o is a third-person singular pronoun that means he, she, it.
That one.
It depends on the context because Turkish does not use gendered pronouns like English. 1. As a personal pronoun. When o is used to refer to a person, it means he, she, or it. Turkish doesn't distinguish between he, she, or it. One word o covers them all. Examples.
O doktor. O doktor.
He, she is a doctor. O çok çalışkan. O çok çalışkan. He, she is very hardworking. O burada değil. O burada değil. He, she is not here. 2. As a demonstrative pronoun, o is also used to point at things that are far away, like that or that one over there in English. Examples. O kalem kırık. O kalem kırık. That pen is broken. O ev çok güzel. O ev çok güzel. That house is very beautiful. O araba senin mi? O araba senin mi? Is that car yours? Compare. Bu. Near the speaker. This. Şu. Mid-distance or focus. O. Far from both. That. Over there. Sentence structure patterns. O plus noun. Used as a demonstrative adjective. Examples. O çocuk ağlıyor. O çocuk ağlıyor. That child is crying. O kitap çok pahalı. O kitap çok pahalı. That book is very expensive. Used as a subject pronoun. Examples. O geliyor. O geliyor. He, she is coming. O konuşuyor. O konuşuyor. She, it is speaking. Important note. Don't confuse O with the vowel O in the alphabet. In writing, O pronoun is always capitalized at the beginning of the sentence only. Mini quiz. Try to translate. Wo nerede? Wo nerede? Where is he, she, it? 2. O senin kardeşin mi? O senin kardeşin mi? Is he, she your sibling? O çok akıllı bir öğrenci. O çok akıllı bir öğrenci. He, she is a very smart student. 4. O evi beğendim. O evi beğendim. I like that house. 5. O sabah geldi. O sabah geldi. He, she came in the morning. Quick summary. As a personal pronoun, O means he, she, it. As demonstrative pronoun, O means that. When a noun is added to demonstrative pronoun O, it means that thing over there. That was our today's lesson. I hope you liked it. Be sure to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Turkish Language Academy. Thanks for watching. Görüşürüz.